Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another sort of festival inspired look. We've got like the glitter tears going on, you can't even really see because they're so like bright and sparkly. We've got some glitter, we've got a sort of a half moony glittery cut crease thing going on. This is a really fun tutorial. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a bit of the Mabel Meg Lumelixir Serum. If you haven't tried this, it's really nice. It's really nice for dry skin as well. It is quite pricey. I believe that the mini one is £29. I think the big one's £39. I think this is like the, what is this? This is the 20ml, and I think the 30ml is the one that's like £39, which is quite a lot for a serum, but it is really nice. I sort of save this when I need like a little bit of a boost in my skin, just because it is pricey and I don't want to run out of it like too quickly. Okay, I'm now going to go in with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and this is just their sort of hydrating primer. I've been using this quite a lot recently. I got this in TK Maxx, I think it was only like £5–6, something like that. But if you ever see them, I would definitely recommend trying it out because it's a really nice primer. I'm not 100% like, I haven't used it like loads and loads yet, I'm not 100% made up about it, but I really do like it. I'm just not sure if it's like my favourite, you know? Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Ordinary Coverage Foundation, and I'm just going to apply this and blend this out on my Rodial, the foundation brush. Okay, I'm just going to put on a bit of the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Porcelain and a bit of the P. Louise Rumour Eye Base, and I'm just going to blend those both out with a beauty blender. Okay, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. Oh, I've just quickly powdered my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, by the way. I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette. I'm going to take this colour Zobo and put that through the crease, and then take Makeda and put that on the lid. This is sort of a matte purpley colour, and this is a shimmery purple colour. Okay, I'm also just putting a bit of that like purple colour on the lower lash line. I'm just sort of mixing both colours together, and I'm just diffusing the edges with my Morphe E30, acting like I know what my brushes are. This is going to look a little bit wild, a little bit crazy for now, but we're going to do some liner and some lashes in just a second, and then we'll come back and do some fun stuff with glitter. So it might look a bit crazy right now, but that's okay. This side's looking a bit crazy. This side's not too bad. This side's gone a bit crazy, but you just gotta blend it. You know, you gotta blend your life away. Right, I'm gonna do some liner and some lashes and maybe try and sort this eye out. I'll be right back. If you want me to do like a liner tutorial video, I can go ahead and do that for you, but there's not much point showing it every time because it's kind of boring. I've just used the Lancome Plume Liner and the Benefit Roller Lash. I'm just waiting for my lashes to dry because I didn't want to sit the first time, which is basically just my life every single day. Even though I don't wear eyelashes every day, I literally only wear lashes for like tutorials. I'm just going to do some highlighting while I'm waiting for them to become tacky. I'm just going to go ahead and use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I don't know why I'm having to read it, I know what it is. I don't really know which colour to do. I was like, I used this Lyra shade the other day and it looked really cool, but it's quite pink, and I'm like, I've got a lot going on as it is. So I'm going to probably go in, yeah, I'll go in with Eclipse, and this is just on a Spectrum tapered highlighter brush. And I'm probably going to take a smaller brush and put a bit on the inner corner of my eyes because I like to have a nice little highlight colour on there, even if you've already got like a shimmery colour on. It's nice to have like an inner corner highlight. I'm just praying I can get these lashes on, dude. I'm like not emotionally ready for this. Okay, lashes are on. These are the Unicorn Cosmetics Unicorn Flutter Lashes. Why did my brain just go completely blank then? What am I going to do now? Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this Collection Glam Crystal Satin Gel Liner in the shade 1 Glitz, and I'm going to do a sort of a cut crease moment with the glitter, and I might pop a little bit on the inner corner, and then we're going to move on to some more glitter in just a second. Okay, I'm going to take the Jodie Beauty Luxe Glitz palette, and we're going to be using this silvery shade today. I'm going to put a bit of the Barry M Glitter Fixer gel sort of in a little teardroppy formation, and we're going to stick the glitter on. I'm going to sort of keep it like a triangle, like coming down from here onto the cheeks. Then I'm just going to use this flat brush to sort of dab it on. I'm in a really weird mood. I'm just going to dab it on with this brush. And then because you've got like an awful lot going on, I'm just going to put on some lip gloss because like, yeah, you've got a lot going on already. Just stick on a lip gloss. That was just the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb lip gloss. I kind of am tempted to put lipstick on, but I think this looks fine as it is, and I just dropped a brush. And I kind of don't want to faff around with it too much, so yeah, I'm going to just say I'm happy with this makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was really fun to do, and I better go like wash it off because I'm not going to a festival today. I'm just at home, not really doing much. But I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and if you've got any comments or suggestions, then please just let me know in the comments down below, and please like the video and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!